Okay, just put it up here with the other one and get the hell out of here because I want to sit down and relax, okay?
Okay. 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 Alright. Shit. I don't know. What do we do?
All right, try not to be profane when I'm videotaping, you know,
Sorry.
because I might send this to your
Is that
grandfather.
even YouTube legal? I don't know. What do you think?
Okay, here comes another one.
Nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
Those things are sweet.
Yeah, you're going to be on YouTube
There
tonight.
we go.
You'll be right out there on the World Wide Web, so don't say
Right
anything
where I wanna
dirty.
be.